All right, we're going to do problem number 2 here then. And we're going to make our net. And remember, our net's going to look like a T. Okay, so we're going to have, first of all, let's say that this is our front. That's a 30 by 20. All right, so our front goes 30 this way by 20 this way. All right, since this is 20, this has to be 20. This is 18, this has to be 18. So we've got a 30 by 20 here. So I'm going to make my first box. And this will be 30 by 20. I'm going to call that my front. I'm calling this my front. Okay. So then attached to my front, I have my top. And so my top is a 30 by 18. So it's 30 here, 30 here, 18, 18. So that's my top. So I've got front, top. Now I need my back. This one we can't see. And that back is going to match my front. So that'll be 30, 30, 20, 20. Okay, so now I need my bottom. So I've got my top. I'm going to put my bottom down here. This is my bottom. And that's 30 and 30. And then the top is 30 by 18. So the bottom has to be 30 by 18. Okay, and now I can put on my right and my left. So you can see the right and left are attached to the front. So right here. And they're going to be 20 by 18 because they're also attached to the side. So 20, 18, 20, 18, and this is my right, and then there's a left over here to match it. Okay, so again, it looks kind of like an upside down T now. I could have put these sides here, and then they would have been 18 by 20s, same thing. All right, so we've got one shape, which is our front, and so our, well, let's go ahead and do our top and bottom. Let's stay consistent with our other problem. So top and bottom. All right, so our top right here is a 30 by 18. And then we've got our left and right. So our left and right are our 20 by 18s. And then finally we've got our front and back. And our front and backs here are 30 by 20s. Okay, I want you to notice something. We've got 3 numbers involved here. We've got an 18, we've got a 20, and we've got a 30. And in our problems here, we take our 18 and it gets multiplied by both the 20 and the 30. We take our 20 and it gets multiplied by both the 18 and the 30. So multiplied by the 18. Then we have our 30, and it gets multiplied by both the 18 and the 20. So each one of these numbers gets multiplied by each of the other ones, and that's where we get our 3 math problems here. Okay, so we've got a 30 by 18, which is going to equal 540, and then we multiply that by 2 to get 1080, and in this case it's meters squared for our top and bottom. Then 20 by 18 gives us 600 times 2 to give us 1200 meters squared for our left and right. And then for our front and back, we've got 20 by 18, which gives us 360 times 2 to give us 720 meters squared for our front and back. We add those together and we get 3,000 meters squared for a total surface area. All right, I'm going to stop this video. I want you to try the next one before you watch the video and see how you do on your own with that.